Well, the weather is finally starting to get back to normal as we saw the snow Wednesday and Thursday over a foot in some locations. But as we take a look at our 24-hour temperature differential, about this time yesterday we were 7 degrees cooler, but we are now 7 degrees warmer here in Marquette, right around the same values as temperatures weren't quite as bad yesterday as they were on Tuesday and Wednesday. But even farther down in the state, you can see that they are seeing more of the impacts of the warmer air. And as we take a look at our current conditions, 35 degrees, have some clouds around the region. Southeast winds are at 9 miles per hour. And as we go ahead and take a look at our current temperatures, yes, 35 here in Marquette. As we take a look off towards the west, a little warmer. Places Ironwood, 40 degrees, 38 in Ontonagon, sitting at 37 in Houghton. More of the lower 40s from Crystal Falls down to Menominee. And our locations a little farther off towards the east, getting more of an influence off the Lake Michigan, so more of that marine air. So they are only at 34 degrees, 36 degrees in Escanaba. And for us here in Ishpeming, we are in the middle 30s at 35. Winds currently coming from the south, 7 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 9 in Munising, and 13 in Escanaba. We'll continue to see this southeasterly breeze all the way through tomorrow when our next disturbance should start to make its way in. Winds will start to pick back up around 10 to 20 miles per hour, and we will be watching out for a chance of rain and snow early on before changing back over to more of just rain showers. But temperatures still above freezing here in Escanaba at 34 degrees. More 30s as you go farther south, and even 50s. Grand Rapids at 50 degrees and 48 down in Lansing. Weather headlines: clouds will continue to thicken as we head later into the night, well late after midnight, as temperatures will drop off quickly with the mostly clear skies. Rain and snow late Saturday, especially as we go later into the day on Saturday. We should see more rain. Slight chance of a rain snow mix early on before heavy rain starts to come in by Saturday night. We will be watching out for some of those areas that are prone to flooding. Might have to watch out for that concern because we are going to be seeing a decent amount of rain, maybe around a half of inch to an inch of rain. And as we take a look at our setup here, area of low pressure making its way from the northern plains, going to be drawing moisture up from the south. We're going to be looking out for that rain as it does make its way in later Saturday and going into your Sunday's forecast, as well as high pressure pushes well off to the south. That will help temperatures rebound back into the middle 40s for highs during the weekend, and it's not going to be a sunny weekend at all as we will continue to stay unsettled, and it is going to be a wet one. As we take a look at Futurecast, the model actually really overdoing it with the colder air, so expect most of this to actually be rain and in the form of this green color, which will indicate rain. But all of this will push off towards the northeast, and then there will be another batch of precipitation that comes in right behind that. That is what we will be watching out for early Sunday and throughout the day on Saturday, or Sunday, sorry, as this moisture does make its way in from the west and to the east. 21 degrees, mostly clear, and then we'll see more of those clouds later on, but it will be chilly tonight at 21. So most of us should be in the lower 20s. And rain and snow early on before seeing more of that rain later during the day. Southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Highs in the 30s and the 40s. 42 down in Iron Mountain. 40 degrees in Munising and 42 in Manistee. For our 7-day forecast, we'll see that things will start to push back up into the 40s. Sunday, expecting that rain to make its way in, but we'll get a break finally by Monday. Tuesday, slight chances of rain with more of the 40s and the 50s by Wednesday and Thursday.